So guys, from the information I gathered, they said that they are not done with their renovation. Because what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ONYENJEM TV. In case this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do well to like, comment and share after watching this video. So today I'm on the street of TBX, walking down to one of these museums in Lagos State. I think it was yesterday I dropped a video talking about top 10 museums in Lagos State, which I would love to be visiting every of these museums one after the other. So I would like you guys to sit back and enjoy as I show you the first museum that I want to visit today. So every other videos will contain other museums that I will visit in some other time. So the least I just want you guys to do for me is to subscribe, like, comment as you're watching this video, and do not forget. So guys, I'm inside the National Museum Lagos, and this is the first museum I'll be visiting in Lagos State. Like I said, I would love to visit the 10 museums in Lagos State. But if there is any other museum that you can still go to the comment section, tell me below, which I will follow up. So, but for now, this is the first museum I'll be visiting, the National Museum Lagos. So guys, let's go in and see what they have for us inside this museum. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside the National Museum Lagos, and this is the ticket. So according to what I heard, they said there's a new development, and right now the ticket is 4,000 naira, as you can see. So for those people that are planning to come to National Museum Lagos, having in mind that your ticket is 4,000 naira. If it is before, you'll be hearing 500 or 1,000, but now it's 4,000 naira. So according to them, there are a lot of development. So anyway, let's see the development that they have in this National Museum. So guys, I am inside the National Museum Lagos.
I grew up in Lagos Island. My school was right there, and we used to come here, as a child, and it wasn't like this at all. But when I saw it, I discovered that it's been recently renovated and it's looking so nice. I said, okay, let me just come here and see things for myself. We started off with at the back of the museum to see the car of the late President Murtala Mohammed, it's outside this place. And when I came in here and we're looking at everything and it's looking so nice. So,
From the information I gathered, they said that they are not done with their renovation, because the first place I explore is the first gallery, and that particular gallery contains, more of stories, cultures, of some different states in Nigeria. And the second gallery, where they kept the artifact of some culture and tradition, is still under renovation. Okay, so this is a new development in this particular place. So if you are coming, I will suggest that you should come when they are done with the complete renovation, so you see for yourself. Because coming here paying 4,000 naira to explore only just one gallery and this Murtala car, to me, anyway, I've paid. I'm not feeling bad actually, but I don't feel like I should just share to the good citizen of Nigeria. So if you want to come, I suggest you should come when they are done with their renovation. That's when you're enjoying the full package, because like this now, I will still come back again whenever they are done with their renovation, for me to see the artifacts, where they kept those artifacts, kind of idea and pattern they use, in making new development of creating that artifact in that particular, gallery. So this is what I want to see. So guys, stay tuned. See you on my next video. This is ONYENJEM TV. Bye for now.